How to get clear and glowing skin at home. 6 remedies. To make you look appealing, clear and beautiful, skin plays a vital role. When your skin is healthy, you start feeling beautiful. How good the health of your skin depends on your lifestyle and the beauty regimen you follow. In this post, I am going to share with you simple home remedies to get clear and glowing skin. Remedy 1. Lemon for skin. To get clear skin, lemon is the best ingredient. The citric acid present in lemon helps to make your skin clear. There is vitamin C in lemon that helps in fading the dark spots on your skin. For getting clear skin, apply freshly squeezed lemon juice on your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. After using lemon juice, take cucumber slices and rub them on your skin. It makes your skin soft by moisturizing it. Remedy 2. Turmeric for clear skin. Turmeric is an antiseptic ingredient and it gives excellent skin lightening results. The use of turmeric helps in minimizing the scars and different dark spots on your skin. Mix an equal amount of turmeric powder and gram flour. Make a paste by mixing water or milk in it. Apply this mixture on your skin and leave it to dry. Wash it off with lukewarm water, scrubbing in a circular motion gently. Follow this remedy once in a week and it will lighten and brighten your skin. In addition, you will get rid of scars and dark spots. Remedy 3. Aloe vera for skin glow. Aloe vera is beneficial for your skin as it has antibacterial properties. The use of aloe vera gel kills the germs that cause acne and pimples. It also gives a soothing effect to irritated skin and helps in healing scars. Aloe vera gel is also a wonderful moisturizer for your skin. Apply the gel on your face and leave it for half an hour. After this, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Remedy 4. Baking soda for skin. The use of baking soda helps in maintaining the pH level of your skin, which is required to get clear skin. It also treats acne, pimples and dark spots. Baking soda is also an excellent exfoliating agent. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice and make a paste. Using this paste, exfoliate your skin. Remedy 5. Cucumber for skin glow. Cucumber hydrates and nourishes your skin. It improves the appearance of your skin and makes skin glowing. Rub cucumber slices on your skin and leave it overnight. In the morning, wash off your face with warm water. Do this remedy daily before going to bed. Remedy 6. Mint for clear skin. There is menthol in mint, which has cooling and soothing properties, and it makes your skin healthy and glowing. It also protects your skin from infections and has healing properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of mint powder, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth and make a paste. Set it aside for 30 minutes. Apply it to your skin and let it dry naturally. There are different factors such as stress, lack of sleep, poor nutrition and pollution that leave bad impacts on the beauty of your skin. Other causes are exposure to the sun, drinking alcohol and smoking. In the markets, you can find thousands of beauty products that can help you in getting clear and glowing skin. Do not rely on these products and try simple home remedies to get clear and glowing skin and look prettier. The natural ingredients always make your skin healthy and improve the appearance of your skin.